So gamers, unfortunately I do not have a shiny new graphics card today because the 7900 XTX was completely and utterly sold out before I was even able to step foot in the building. And the reason I don't have one is pretty much my fault, because I was awake. I very well could have left and gone there earlier. It sounded like I should have been there at about 8 o'clock in the morning to be able to get one. But even then, maybe I wouldn't have been able to get one because apparently what I heard was they only had about 35 in stock. So I don't know how many people were there earlier, but it is likely I probably wouldn't have been able to get one anyway. So I'm kind of kicking myself because I very well could have gotten a graphics card today, but didn't get one. Everywhere online is also already sold out, botted up, whatever it was. I just didn't think that the demand for these cards would have been as high as it was, and that's my own fault for thinking that. But thankfully for me, it is not the end of the world because I have a 3080 that I can plug into this system in the meantime while I am waiting for that. And I have a 1070 from the old system that I can go ahead and plug into this computer, at least until I can get one of the new cards. And maybe this was a blessing in disguise because we are going to have a bit of a white theme going on here, and you know, it would help if the graphics card was also white. I don't think it was necessary, but it would certainly help. And also the card's drivers should mature in the meantime where I am not able to plug it into this PC. But yeah, I'm still going to be over on the Switch building the rest of the system today because all of the rest of it is here. Come by, harass me if you want, tell me I'm putting too much thermal paste on things. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update, and I am sad. But that's pretty much it for this one. I have been Trevor, I go by TheMrTrails, and I will catch you guys next time.